Hello friends, I am Vijay and she is Jaya. And today we will talk about venue overlays. Venue overlays are temporary additional infrastructure elements that are installed at the venues to support the needs and requirements of the venue. Overlay includes all of the temporary infrastructure required to support a particular venue, including but not limited to tents, cabins, power, utilities, fencing, flooring, lighting, signage and field of play equipment.
Venue overlays are a critical part of operational planning phase and it defines the following. 1. Venue space for operational services. 2. Provide security perimeter. 3. Improves the aesthetic feel of a venue. The function requires coordination with the below-mentioned stakeholders. SAI Overall Coordination and Games Technical Conduct Committee Host State. The venue overlays functional area hadn't got a nation with the stakeholders state constantly in touch with the national sports federations and other functional area heads to determine the necessary overlays requirement for various venues.
The roles and responsibilities of this function can be classified into following. 1. A determining requirements and gap analysis. 2. Formation of bill of quantities. 3. Procurement. 4. Coordination.
Let's talk about determining requirements and gap analysis. Generally, overlays requirement depends on the availability of infrastructure and other facilities in a particular venue. These requirements can be further classified into following overlays. 1. Overlays required to conduct the games. 2. Overlays required to build a security perimeter. 3. Overlays required to improve the aesthetic feel of a venue. Considering the above-mentioned aspects, the members of Games Technical Conduct Committee conduct a reach in recce games venue. Subsequently, the National Sports Federation sends their appointed competition managers, along with the members of the host state, for determining the requirements at every venue and conduct gap analysis.
Formation of bill of quantities is also very important. After the recce, each stakeholder prepares a list of requirements at every venue. 1. This requirements list consists of the following: availability of necessary infrastructure and facilities. 2. Required infrastructure that needs to be installed at the venue. 3. Required infrastructure that needs to be built for security perimeter and zoning. 4. Required infrastructure that needs to be built to improve the aesthetic feel of the venue. Event Operations Games Technical Conduct Committee with host state, after consultation and considering the requirements of other functional areas, prepares a list of requirements and computes the budget required to procure them, is called bill of quantities.
Next up in this is procurement. 1. After the bill of quantities is prepared, the line items mentioned in the bill of quantities needs to be procured. 2. A budget is estimated by the host state and allocated to procurement of the overlays required. 3. The venue overlay function coordinates with host state in identification of vendors for procuring overlays required in consultation with contenders are floated by the host state in procuring the same.
Last but most important step in this is coordination. Coordination of venue overlays function involves the following steps. 1. Procuring and storing venue overlay function plays a major role in coordination with host state and vendors in procurement of overlays without any delay. The overlays are to be procured and stored at various venues according to the requirement lead. 2. Installing and uninstalling the overlays are to be installed at the venue based on the requirement. Installation deadline is 48 hours before commencement of the games and are to be uninstalled after the venue overlay. Functional area is responsible to coordinate with host state and venue operations, functional area and installation of the overlays. They are also responsible to have the overlays ready to be installed for any venue changeovers during the games. Hope you have enjoyed the video. See you at the games.